Welcome to winter. It's a season that's so cold that everyone around you has got some sort of flu. Well, I've got a solution for you. This is my fresh turmeric, ginger, and lemon drink. It is filled with all the vitamins you need to stay healthy throughout the winter months. So, if you're ready, come with me and let's get started. To begin, I'm using some fresh turmeric, fresh lemon, and some fresh ginger. Use as much or as little as you prefer. As long as you've got all three ingredients with you, that should be just fine. Today I'm going to simply peel all of my ingredients. So I'm going to, as you can see, I'm just peeling off the ginger. If you prefer not to peel it, it's completely fine as well, just as long as you've washed the roots very nicely so there's no sand in it. That should work perfectly fine as well. So I'm just going to continue to peel my ginger. Now I'm peeling my turmeric, and let's get everything prepared for blending. Now, someone asked in my previous video why I like to peel the lemon skin. The reason is because I realized if I blend it together with the ginger and turmeric, it has a very bitter taste. So it's just by preference. If you like it, keep it, but I prefer to slice up the skin. Now, once that's all done, I'm going to simply cut this into smaller pieces, ready for blending. I'm going to simply add all the chopped up pieces straight into my blender, and I'm going to add about a cup of water. I'm going to simply cover this and I'll bring it to the blend. Just place it in your blender and blend until everything is nice and smooth. Now this is very nicely blended. Now take a look at this. It is absolutely perfect, just exactly what you need. What I like to do is simply strain this. So I'm going to simply pour this into my sieve. It's going to drain very nice and easily. I like to also squeeze it out and making sure that every single goodness in this is not wasted. Also, in my previous video, somebody asked, what do I do with the remaining shafts? If you like an Indian curry, this is pure gold. So please do not throw this away. This can be very, very useful. You can definitely add this to your curries. It will be very, very tasty indeed. So don't throw this away, okay? Now this is what I like to call liquid gold. It is absolutely full of vitamins and goodness. This will keep you safe and healthy throughout the winter months. You really have to try this. Once you've removed the little foaming on top, you're going to need an ice cube tray. Depending on the quantity of turmeric, ginger, and lemon that you blended up, you might need 2, 3, or 4 ice cube trays, just depending on the quantity of liquid that you have. So I'm going to simply pour these all into my ice cube trays, just like this. We're going to simply put this in the freezer. Just make sure it stays in the freezer for at least 24 hours so it's nice and solid. But feel free to drink it straight away, just as it is right now. The only reason I like to store this in the freezer is time saving. It saves me time. Whenever I need it, I can just pop open and add 2 or 3 cubes to a cup and add hot water, and I'm good to go. So once you've filled it up in your ice cube tray just like this, make sure it's nicely covered. And we're going to simply put this straight into the freezer for at least 24 hours. Now this is the next day. It's 24 hours later, and as you can see, our winter goodness is absolutely ready. Now just like any ice cube, just twist it around and release it, and it should come straight right out like this. Add this to your cup. I like to use about 2 to 3 cubes. That's enough for me. Remember to put this straight back into your freezer, and then you use it anytime you need it. Now to activate my turmeric, I like to add a little bit of freshly ground black pepper. Now simply add some boiled water, just like this. To finish it off, I'm using 1 heaped spoon of some fresh honey. That helps with your throat as well. So if you're having sore throats, fresh honey does the job. Simply mix this all together, and that's it. Our winter ginger, turmeric, and lemon drink is absolutely ready. I like to drink this 2 times a day. I'll drink 1 cup in the morning and 1 cup in the evening when I'm back from work. It is absolutely packed with all the vitamins you need to keep you healthy throughout the winter months. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't already, welcome to Megshaw's Kitchen. Please do subscribe. I'll see you again next time for another video. Goodbye.